How to sync existing product listings to CustomCat. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to sync your existing product listings to CustomCat. If you've already created products in your e-commerce store, but need to connect them to CustomCat for fulfillment, this process will guide you through the necessary steps. Start by clicking My Products in the left navigation menu. From there, select your store. Depending on the number of products in your store, the page load time may vary, so please be patient as the system loads your listings. Once you're in your product list, go to the Not Synced tab. This is where you'll find products that have been created in your e-commerce store but haven't yet been synced with CustomCat. These products will show as having 0 variants synced to CustomCat. If any updates made in your e-commerce store aren't reflecting here, simply click the Refresh button to update the data. To sync a product, find the item you want to connect and click on Update Fulfillment, or click directly on the product. This will open up all the details for that product, including its variants, mock-up images, and prices as listed in your store. From here, you can start syncing the variants. To sync a specific variant, click Sync next to the variant you want to connect. Then, choose the matching product from the CustomCat catalog and select the corresponding size and color. After that, click the Design tab to upload or select a design from your design library. You can use the design presets to position the design exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with everything, click Next to save your changes. Congratulations, you've just synced a product variant to CustomCat. If you want to apply the same changes to all variants, there's an easy way to do that. Simply click the 3 dots below Resync on the variant you just updated and choose Sync to all variants. If the changes you made match the color and size of the other variants, they'll be updated automatically. However, if any variants don't have an exact color or size match, you'll see a Sync Not Completed message. In this case, you'll need to manually resync those variants one by one. It's important to note that the updates you make during this process will not overwrite your product listing details in your e-commerce store. These changes only affect the product variants mapped to CustomCat. To update details like exporting new mockups, adding or removing variants, or editing prices, you'll need to follow our tutorial on editing product listings in CustomCat. For more detailed tutorials and additional help, be sure to visit CustomCat.com.